So another month has gone by. We're now in May. Can you believe it? I want to take a moment to share with you the deals that Thomas Skinner has negotiated to get for you, their customers, for this month. Let's check it out. First up, we have the Goring RF100 diver. This crazy tool, all that it's able to do. It's insane the way they pushed it. And then we've got your trusty 1-inch range dial indicator from Mitutoyo. The NexJen C-Thru Separator. Here's footage from a customer shot. They've had it installed for a little bit. You can see the oil collecting there. The float's actually floated away from the opening, but it's down there. And it's collecting all the oil in the top that you can then drain out. And it's flowing properly through. Now, they are running Blazer Synergy 735, so as you can see, the coolant coming in and going out is nice and clear, but it's still pulling out all of those particulates. Then we've got the Sandvik next generation with their Inveo 2 technology. Oh, look at that depth of cut. And they're cutting it dry for footage sake. That poor insert. Then we have two deals from Röhm actually available for this month. Both their drill chucks. Solid construction for long service life. Clamping force increase through proven transmission. Can be used universally on hand-operated drills, drill presses, in your machine tools, on the EMUGE thread gauges. And just every piece of quality that EMUGE puts into these gauges to really make a difference. And then we've got the live centers by Röhm. The way that they construct these bodies, we can see a little blown out view here. You've got the carbide center, all of the bearings, the way that they're packed, the way that they assemble it to reduce the amount of maintenance that's going to need to be done on these to save you time. So until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.